Hello, everyone. So, once again, my name is Robinson, and this is going to be a helpful video for those who want to factory reset their phones using USSD and they don't know to use any other way or any other software. So, first, this is the code to do the factory reset. You type it on your phone keypad. But before that, it is always good to diagnose that mobile phone. And how do you go about it? You press star, then hash 9090 hash. Once you press that, the phone will diagnose itself. Immediately you have done that, now you can press the factory reset code on your mobile keypad, which is star hash star hash 7780 star hash or hash star, and that code will be able to reset to factory reset your phone. So thank you once again for joining this YouTube video. Please subscribe and share with your friend who might want to factory reset their phones. Thank you.